Welcome to the installation guide for 3W liners. Before installation, clear away dirt and debris. Then place the driver's side floor mat into position. Once it's properly seated, line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and turn the locking piece to lock the floor mat in place. After installing the all-weather base mat, add the soft carpet layer to suit your needs. Now, repeat the same process for the front passenger side. Position the mat carefully and make sure all edges sit flush against the floor for a clean, custom fit. Install the rear floor mat, slide it into position, and adjust it to make it fit. Ensure the mat lays flat and covers the rear floor area evenly to get maximum protection from 3W's floor mat. That's it! Your 3W liners are now fully installed and ready to protect your Dodge Ram 2500. Thank you for watching.